There's a lady who's sure all that glitters is gold, and she's buying the stairway to heaven. When she gets there, she knows if the stores are all closed, with the word she can get what she can. She's buying the stairway to heaven. There's a sign on the wall, but she wants to be sure, 'cause you know sometimes words have two meanings. In the tree by the brook, there's a songbird who sings. Sometimes all of our thoughts makes me wonder. There's a feeling I get when I look to the west, and my spirit is crying for leaving. In my thoughts I see rings of smoke through the trees, and the voices of those who stand looking. Makes me wonder. It makes me wonder. And it's whispered that soon, if we all call the tune, then the piper will lead us to reason. Then the new day will dawn for those who stand long, and the forests will echo with laughter. If there's a bustle case you don't know, the piper's calling you to join him. Dear lady, can you hear the wind blow? And did you know your stairway lies on the western wind?